So what I'm going to do, I'm actually having my mechanic go ahead and do it. Normally I do like to try a few of these things on myself. I have a lot of joy in it, but my new built motor does have a warranty and I would like to keep the warranty. So I'm going to go ahead and just take it over to him. A really good guy. It's actually over at Evolutionary Performance here in Utah. Great shop. Really good people. Know what they're doing for sure. Yeah, so I needed to get a pretty sure fuel pump internals set up just because it is a built motor. I'm doing everything I can with it really. Next up here real soon we're going to be doing the front mount intercooler and also going to be doing a turbo as well, the Corksport CST4 turbo. It's not like bigger, but it's like a smidge bigger I believe, just a lot more reliable. This will be my second KO4, but yeah, fuel pump internals really important on the speed. They are horrendous, they're bad, like it's one of the first things you should do. And I decided to build my motor first, I don't know why, because it blew up, that's why. But yeah, so I got the Corksport internals here. We can look into the instructions as well, just because I don't know a ton about this stuff. A really nice little casing, has the Corksport logo on there. I think that's really cool, like just hard, like aluminum, something neat to keep around. It's a little bit more than you would probably need for this, but I think they take a lot of pride into their internals here. I mean, it's one of their flagship products, I believe. Alright, so I've got kind of everything laid out. I'm not really going to pull out the internals just because they are in here with some oil, and really we don't need to open it. We can explain it well enough, I think. But yeah, so I've got the instructions opened up here just so we can kind of go over everything. From what I hear too, their instructions are actually really good. It makes things a lot easier to understand. But yeah, so this right here is the installation pipe. This guy right here, it says, is another installation tool, which is really cool. It has their logo sitting on there. Also functions as a bottle opener from what I read, which is cool. That's why it has a little hole, the keyring. I'll probably keep it around. In here is our spring, our high rate fuel pump spring, and then it has the retainer in here as well to tap it. In here is the pump piston. If you can, I'll try to get a little bit close so you can actually see it. It feels nice and weighty. It doesn't, I don't think that it's cheap. It just looks nice, it feels nice, but that's really all there is to what it is. Everything put together right there. Pretty much is just a step-by-step of how to really put this thing together. So what I'm liking here in the instructions is there's actually pictures showing you step-by-step what to do. I'm sure you've bought parts in the past, if you work on your own car and stuff like that, and sometimes you really have to just try to figure it out. Give you step-by-step with photos, which is really nice. I do know you can make power with it. It's a really good upgrade, which I'm going to be making more power soon. I'm going to be making more power soon. This is why I'm buying these parts now. But yeah, I'll have no worries here. And I believe too that if you start to run like E85, this pump's good for it. Yeah, just really quick, I want to fill you guys in with what's going on with the car, what's coming. I'm going to take it down to the shop to have it put in. Yeah, I think I will go ahead and end off here. If there's video of me driving the speed, then cool. Hey guys, well yeah, I just got back. Just had the high pressure fuel pump internals put in. Immediately better. With the old pump, it was pretty, not pump, but the old internals, it would sit there and like slouch, like, and then jump back up. Whoa! When I was like, yeah, like at a light and stuff. Just really bad idle. But yeah, it's been great. I obviously just barely put it in, so I'm not sure how great it is, but immediately I've noticed a difference just getting it out and going, so that's pretty awesome. But yeah, other than that, next up is the front mount and the turbo, and then a tune, of course. So yeah, stay tuned. Just please subscribe, comment. I'd like to hear what you guys are thinking about what I've been doing with the videos. It really helped me out, but yeah. Subscribe, like, whatever, comment down, at least just watch the video until the end. Yeah, thank you.